My name is Michael Hailu. I'm director of the Technical Center for Agricultural and Rural Cooperation. It's a joint institution of the European Union and the African, Caribbean, and Pacific Group, helping agricultural and rural development institutions through policy support, through value chain development, using information communication technologies, ICTs, for promoting smallholder agriculture. Our focus is very much on helping that farmers have better access to markets. In today's discussion, there is quite a lot of focus on how do you help small farmers transform into businesses. How do you mitigate risks, given the challenges of climate change and so on. And many of that can be really supported through use of ICTs, as I say, especially mobile phones. And when you look at the penetration of mobile phones in Africa, it's been increasing at a very rapid rate. And we feel that a lot of services are actually already being given, through mobile devices, for example, access to markets, insurance services, and so on. And every year we support what we call a hackathon, where the entrepreneurs can come together with farmers to address specific issues through development of technologies. And the successful ones, we try to take them through business innovation process. As you know, CGR is very much focused on generating research and working on research results and innovations. And our role as CTA is really helping to move those innovations and policy findings to the people who can use them, partnering with them through the Global Alliance for Climate Smart Agriculture, which was launched, as you know, yesterday. I think the key message that came out today, I think throughout the day, is the significance of agriculture, really, in terms of addressing the global challenges that we're facing. Research should have very significant and clear outcome in terms of changing the livelihood of people and creating sustainable food systems. These development dialogues have been really very useful. I hope this dialogue could continue, and we're, from our perspective, very keen to work with the CGR system in terms of getting the messages out to people who can use them.